Hey everyone, this is NS Steampunk. We are south of Frostburg, Maryland, your National at Klondike Road Southwest, and we are at the site of the former Cumberland, Pennsylvania Railroad trackage. I'm sure many of you who've ridden the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad before. This track is abandoned between National and Frostburg. The track that once led to the tunnel was torn out back in the late 80s, but there's a portion of track that's still south of here, which is served by CSX. What we are looking at here is the abandoned grade crossing. I'm not sure when the last time a train served this area was. What we're looking at here, this signal here, this is a Safe Tran System Core base. Right up here are Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights. There's likely a signal on the other side. You got the relay case, control box. That's the rest of the track looking south, and the rest of the track looking north. And somewhere in here was the site of where the other crossing base was located. Thank you all for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more train videos and lots of stuff. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. NS Steampunk reporting live. Tower 93, over and out.